In 2008, engineers in Spain decided to do something insane. Take a massive, 300-meter-deep industrial scar on the Earth and drown it with over 500 billion liters of water. For nearly 6 decades, the town of As Pontes in northwestern Spain was defined by brown coal mining. Extracting 260 million tons of coal created an enormous hole in the ground, more than 300 meters deep. When operations permanently shut down in 2007, Spain was left with a massive environmental challenge. Filling a pit this big took 4 years and 547 billion liters of water. But beneath the surface, something incredible happened. The lake naturally separated into 2 distinct chemical layers: a clear, oxygen-rich layer on top, and a dense, acidic layer sealed safely at the bottom. Today, the former coal pit is an 865-hectare eco-haven complete with beaches, hiking trails, and returning wildlife,